Hello everyone, welcome to Mother's Mind again. Today I'm going to introduce you to my own book, as maybe you don't know that I'm an author, and most likely I'm writing at the moment children's pictures books in 2 languages. One is Hungarian, which is my mother tongue, and the other is English. So actually I feel I have this is my mission to fill up a gap in a library that I found, because when you go to the library there is a section called dual language section where you can find any kind of languages except Hungarian. So that's the reason why I'm writing these books. So I hope you enjoy my book, and if you want to buy them you can buy in most stores in Amazon, but the main place to buy is Lulu Press, and I will put the link on a comment below. So this is the book from the front. It's called Hedgehog Tale, or Süni Mese in Hungarian, and I'm the author and the translator, and my friend in Hungary, Patricia Fogarashi, is the illustrator in this book. In the back there is a few description. It's a bilingual English-Hungarian story about the importance of friendship. This is a cute activity book for preschoolers. Look out for the instructions. Yes, because this book has some speech bubbles in it. So let's see how it looks. And I thought I will read a page or two in 2 languages so you can see the difference between the 2 languages. So let's see the first page because it's not too long. It's a second actually. I ate the only thing I could find to power up. It was a handful of nuts. So I put on my hat and my mountain boots and left to get something to eat. Yes, that's the hedgehog. Now it's in Hungarian. Megettem az egyetlen dolgot, amit találtam, egy maroknyi diót, szóval felvettem a kalapom, meg a túracipőm, és elmentem valami ennivalóért. The bubbles say, can you count how many nuts he found? And in Hungarian, számold meg, hány diót talált Theo. So this book made for little kids to do something while you're reading. So in this page they have to find the nuts on the page and count them. There are lots of lovely pictures. I love the pictures. Everybody who saw the book was really like the pictures. Yeah, very good. Let's see this one. This is one of my favorite. Let's see what it says. I followed the river along the way home. Berta the bear was swimming in the warm water. Soon she got hungry, so she came out to gather raspberries. I tried to do the same, but the bush was ever so prickly. Thankfully, Berta shared hers with me. She even arranged them to look nice on my spikes. Can you tell what shape the berries are forming? And now the kids have to tell, what is this shape? Bye-bye. And now in Hungarian. Követtem a folyót hazafelé. Berta a maci ott úszott a meleg vízben. Hamarosan megéhezett, úgyhogy kijött málnát szedni. Megpróbáltam én is, de a bokor iszonyúan szúrós volt. Szerencsére Berta megosztotta velem az övét. Még szépen el is rendezte, hogy mutatós legyen a tüskéimen. Tudod, milyen alakot formálnak a málnák? So, I think it's a nice story about friendship, because all the animals help the hedgehog to gather his food, and then they cook them up together. And in the end of the book, you will find a little description about me as an author in English and in Hungarian. So most of my books are made the way that the English will be black and the Hungarian an additional color. So it makes it easy to tell the difference. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you like my book, and please subscribe and share my channel and press the like button. Thank you.